Hey everyone, welcome back in for Simple How To's by J&A. Today we're going to be making some grilled chicken and some grilled asparagus on the Blackstone. Let's get started. And for the chicken today, I'm going to be putting garlic powder on all of them. And then on one of them, I'm going to be putting a combination of the chicken dash, the Southwest dash. And then on another one, I'm going to be putting this Nashville hot chicken. And then on two of them, I'm going to be putting the mango magic. And now we're going to flip it and do the other side the same way. Alright, and now let's do the asparagus. So we went ahead and already cut off maybe about an inch of the ends there. You want to do that. That's like really tough, so you want to go ahead and cut that off first. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a bowl after we got it cut. And I'm going to take some olive oil and drizzle it over the top of it. I'm going to take some garlic powder, that same thing we used earlier. Black pepper. Some of the garlic and herb dash seasoning. We like the dash seasoning because it doesn't have any salt in it. And that's about all we need now. We got a good bit of seasoning in there and some olive oil, and I'm just going to mix it up. And I think we are ready to go for the grill. So let's do that next. And we're going to let that run for a couple minutes, and then we'll flip it and stir the asparagus. All right, and it's been a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take our spatula, and I'm going to try to flip some of our asparagus and just kind of rotate it so that it all gets cooked evenly. And I'm going to flip our chicken here in a couple minutes. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes longer. And wanted to mention, just like my other videos, I've got an instant read thermometer available so that I can know when the chicken's done. Chicken's done at 165, so that's what we're heading for. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and flip the chicken, and I'm also going to stir around the asparagus a little bit again. All right, it's been a few minutes more. I'm going to flip our chicken again. And the way the Blackstone cooks, it's going to cook this area a lot hotter than it is like around the edges. So I'm going to take this one and move it around to the hot zone instead of kind of in the back. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and check our temperature of our chicken. We're right at 81 about outside. That's about where we're at. So this piece of chicken right here, again, we're looking for 165. It is at 149 now. It's kind of creeping up slowly. It looks like it's pretty much at 149, so we're not quite there yet. All right, and it's been a few more minutes since checking it. I'm going to go ahead and flip it just to get some more cooked on the other side, and then we're going to check them again in a few seconds and see what we are at. All right, and I just checked it, and we are good. I'm going to go ahead and start taking our chicken off now, and then I'm going to take our asparagus off right afterward. And there we have it. That's an easy dinner for some asparagus and some grilled chicken. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hope everyone has a great day.